Okay, if you follow my socials, you know I have a little playground where I can do every exercise I want. I just have to set it out. So I thought I would just show you my little mini course. It's not about speed, but agility, tight corners and stuff like that. So let's go. So that's a lap. Now let me take you on board and you can see what I see. Okay, I only have a vertical mount with me for my point of view, so I have to make do, but you'll get the point. Let's go for a little lap. The object is to not get the feet on the ground, but maneuver through this course without touching the ground. That's the only objective. Time doesn't matter. It's about the skill you have. And sometimes when you almost fall, you have to give it some gas just to get out of it. Very slippery, but it was more fun when it's dry, but this is also fun. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.